Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez, pamasagali channel, a faith healer o Zomatider. So, ngayong hapon, natatagan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 25 hanggang December 31. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you guys out there. So, let's see. This reading is a journey din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. So, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So, let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for this sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na, tutungkahin na natin at bubulabugin natin. Ano kaya ang angel spirit messages sa iyo ang ating mahagilap? Angel Spirit, please give me information po. So, there is something, the moon card for a true trivia. There is a lot of revelation. So, ngayong linggong to, maaaring magkaroon ka ng mga revelasyon na magaganap, no? And this is something, the Emperor, for a maturity, no? Parang may paghubog, no? Na maaaring magising sa'yo sa katotohanan, no? Para malaman mo lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mo maunawaan. And this is something related with your lovers. No, may mga bagay na konektado sa love life. This is something they came in for something the stock or something a new perspective. No, may mga bagay na kailangan ng baguhin. Na makakaranas ka ng something delays and cancellation as of now, no? Nagkakaroon ng unexpected shift. No? May mga biglang pagbabago na magaganap na hindi mo akalaing na magaganap. And this is something the Four of Swords. There is something rest. No? Kailangan mo i-refresh ang iyong utak at isip. No? There is something intuition and inner voice. No? And this is something the worker with your troubles and success. At maaari may babago ng bagong ikot ng mundo. No? At ikot ang kapalaran mo. And because there is the Moon card, there is the Sun card. Wow! No, dahil sa malalaman mo na magdadala sa iyo ng something purification, success, ganon, may tagumpay. This is a 10 of Wands. So, kumbaga, mas hinubog ka dito ng mga karanasan dahil sa mga obligasyon na responsibilidad. The Lovers represent with us strength card, just having confidence. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng kumpiyansa pagdating sa love life, no? Hindi ka dapat takot masaktan, hindi ka dapat takot maiwan. Ganon, kailangan palaban. There is the Hangman, reference the star card. Wow! Oh my God! There's the moon, the sun, and the star na maaaring nakalain na bang magaganap. Ngayon, my God, ngayong sa lubong na to, maaaring bubulabugin ang eksena mo. No, maaaring there's something unexpected miracles and unexpected shift. No, dahil sa mga bagay na nakaline up ng maganap. What is the Four of Swords? Represent what? There is the Seven of Wands. That because of you are being protected. Protektado ka, inalalayo ka sa mga posibleng maganap na hindi magandang eksena. And the word can represent the Tree of Cups, something a celebration, no? Pasabog, unti-unti ka makakaranas sa mga selebrasyon. So let's see what is the Moon card and the Sun card. Represent what? There's an Eight of Pentacles. There's something of focus pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho ka ng buhay. There's something earning a lot of money. No? Maaring kumita ka ng malaking pera. There's a Emperor, and of course, the 10 of Wands represent that card. A transformation. Pasabog talaga. No, may mga bagay na unti-unti na magaganap, unti-unti nang huhubugin, yung mga bagay na nakagisnan mo at unti-unti mo na makakawala sa mga bagay na napagdaanan mo. Ito yung mga bagay na babaunin mo at babaguhin mo sa eksena na to. And this is a death card, represent the transformation, arise from the ashes. No, pagkatapos mo makaranas sa mga kalugmukan, na mga down part, no? Kumaga lahat ng mga sakripisyo, paghihirap, ito na mapapalitan na ng tagumpay, na may wagayway ng kamay, no? Talaga sinasabi mo, ito na, no? Success is coming in for me. Let's see what is the Lovers. Represent the Strength card. Represent with that Ten of Pentacles. So this is something for long term. Ito na yung sinasabing sinubo ka ng eksena ng pangmatagalan. No? This is something for long term relationship and long term investment. Ganon. So let's see what is the Hangman because the Star card. Represent the Magician. So see, a power of God with something of great blessings or unexpected shift. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na magaganap dito is something, a blessing this guys. No? Kung may mga bagay na may delays, cancellation, it's a God purpose, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na to ay maaaring ayon sa kalooban ng ating Panginoon. Dahil may mga bagay na hindi mo inaakalang maganap, may mga bagay na magaganap na hindi mo akalain na kumbaga masasaktan ka, mahihirapan ka, but eventually, this is something a good, no? Good side or something a good way. Maaaring magiging maganda ang kalalabasan nito. Let's see what is the Four of Swords because the Seven of Wands. Represent with the Eight of Swords. Ay, oh, see, there's an Eight of Swords. With the toxicities and the evil eye, there's a lot of inggitera sa paligid mo. Oh, but you are being protected, di ba? Maraming mga taong inggitera sa paligid mo, pero protektado ka. And there's a Wheel of Fortune with a good luck and destiny is yours. So, see, talaga nakalatag na talaga para baguhin ang mundong ginagalawan. Ahabot kamay na maaaring magwawagayway ka talaga ng tagumpay, no? Ganun. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Four of Pentacles for saving money, no? Protect your power, protect your energy, protection at pangalaga mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. And this is something the Tower moment, no? Kumbaga, ito yung mga bagay na bigla ang magaganap. There's something na biglaan talaga with the sudden changes. And this is something that Six of Wands for a victory is yours, that you are big on the spotlight, no? Kumbaga, ikaw na yung parang hinahangaan, tinitigilaan, dahil lasa sa'yo na yung mga bagay na hindi akalaing makikita sa'yo. Ganon, may ibang atake, no, parang iba yung ano mo, apple of the eye ka na. Kumbaga ikaw yung ano kumbaga star, gano'n. Kumbaga pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, may star of the night. Gano'n yung atake mo dito. Additional messages pagdating sa career and finances. Ito na, gusto ko malaman to. And there's a Five of Cups, something disappointment, no? Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, hindi mawawala ang disappointment, no? Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's something that set of something happiness. Magiging masaya ka dito. No, may mga bagay na aalisin sa'yo, may mga bagay na lilinisin sa'yo, may mga bagay na hindi mo akalaing ipagkakaloob sa'yo, no? In a good way, in a bad way, kasi may rason yon. Bakit nangyayari yon? May delays, cancellation, no? It's a God perfect time. This is something that's Eight of Cups, something I'm moving forward, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa mga disappointment dahil makikita mo na yung daan patungo sa tagumpay dahil may kikinang-kinang. Ganun! Charis lang. Additional messages tayo. Pagdating sa love life, so, the love life, there's a temperance for a solid foundation. See? Pagdating sa relasyon, pagdating sa buhay mag-asawa, pagdating sa buhay mag-jowa, or pagdating sa partners, there's something solid in foundation. Wala na makakasira dahil napakatibay na ng pundasyon nyo. Malaki na yung mga pinagdaanan nyo at maaaring mahihirapan na kayong buwagin, no? And this is something that's more of something celebration. This is something higher level of commitment. Na may pang matagal at the same time, meron dito maaaring ikakasal, there's something promotion, or maaaring proposal, ganon. And this is something on engagement din, nasa sense ko. One more card please, to clarify, this is something a higher fan for a lesson learned. Marami ng mga bagay na natutunan na kayo sa isa't isa, ganon. Maraming leksyon, maraming mga bagay na pinagdaanan, bangungot na nakaraan na yung nagbaon sa inyo para hindi na muling mangyari yung nakaraan, ganon. Kumbaga may mga pinagdaanan ka na ayaw mo na ulit maulit o yung maaaring yung person mo, ganon. So let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating sa health, there's a Five of Swords in reverse, so this is something to fair fight. May patas na laban, no? Kumbaga sinasabi na alam mo na yung mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan pagdating sa health issues. And this is a Six of Cups. So see, there's something past, no? Maaaring may mga history ka pagdating sa mga bawal sa'yo, or meron ka mga nararamdaman na kailangan iwasan, yung gantong pagkain, gantong inumin, tigil-tigilan mo na, no? So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. So let's see. For synchronicities, guys, represent there's a gratitude, being thankful sa lahat ng mga bagay na ihahain sa'yo. Ganun. And this is something a winter. See, there's something a blossoming. May paglago talaga ngayong eksena na to ngayong pasabog na bagong taon or Pasko, no? Pasko at bagong taon, maaaring mag-iiba talagang atake mo dito, guys. What is the magical fairy messages? And there's a you desire within reach. So, see, yung mga bagay na angarin mo lang, pinapangarap mo lang, mayroon ngayon, abot kamay mo na. No, is working out in your favor. Napapabor na sa iyo ang sitwasyon. Ganon. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? Represent with the stability and flow. Ay, dadaloy na. Tuloy-tuloy na ang dadaloy. And this is something, oh, I told you, structures, di ba? Double clarification. Excuse me. There is a double clarification here, guys, no? Nakikita mo yan? Na para pinapakita talaga dito na ano no? Parang hinubog kayo ng mga pinagdaanan nyo. There's something solid foundation. Oh, ganda. And because this is something a truth, no? Ilalantad talaga lahat ng katotohanan, walang matatago. Ganon, lahat mabubulgar, lahat mabubunyag. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for a Romance Angels represent what? Now, pagdating sa relasyon na ng atake sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. And there is something sex good times. So, see, may sex good times dito, guys. And because this is something freedom, no? May paglaya talaga sa surrender. Parang pinakawalan mo na, hindi ka natakot, no? Parang inalis mo na yung pangamba at takot sa lahat ng mga bagay na nagaganap. And there's a not committal. No? There's a something independent, no? Kaya mo na tumayo sa sarili mo pa, no? Na hindi ka na nangangamba sa lahat ng mga posibleng maghanap. Ganon. For Archangel Raphael messages, represent what? Maganda. And this is a listen to your intuitions, no? And this is something listen to intuitive feelings. So, lahat ng mga bagay pangamba, nararamdaman mo, sundin mo yan, hindi ka ililigaw ng ating mga gabay. Ganon. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Messages for shield yourself. So, see, protection at pangalagaan yung sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ka ng exhausted or pain, paranoid sa mangyayari. Hayaan mo, pakawalan mo. And there's an lean on God and angel support. So, see, nandito ang ating Panginoon. Sinusuportahan ka sa bawat eksena na gagawin mo. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's a perfections, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti ng may saayos, no? Parang naka-organize na lahat ng eksena. And there's a creations, no? Unti-unti mo nang masisimulan mababago at unti-unti mo nang mapapaganda ang takbo ng eksena. There's an impatient. Pero, no, kailangan mong humahabaan ng pasensya mo, maging kalmado. No, hindi lahat ng mga bagay ay kumbaga naaayon sa kagustuhan mo. Kumbaga kailangan mo pa rin maging kalmado. Huwag ka magmadali. No? Kumbaga, kung hindi mo pa time yung eksena na yon, kumalma ka. Maghintay ka ng perfect timing. Ganon. Kumbaga, kung hindi ngayong buwan, next month, no? Kung hindi next month, another month, just wait for eksena. Ganon. For additional messages to sensitivity. So, kailangan mo maging sensitive sa lahat na nangyayari. Hindi pwedeng, syunga-syunga ka, or hindi pwedeng wala kang kamalay-malay, hindi pwedeng yung parang bahala na, ganon. Yung parang, kumbaga, alam mo na yung nangyayari, tatanga-tangahan ka, hindi pwedeng gano'n na ha, kailangan maging sensitive ka. And there's a crystal for see, there's a gemstone, or there's a something, crystal stone na makakatulong sa'yo guys for something, charm, healing, for healing energies, gano'n. So, let's see what is an angel's answer represent what. Guys ha, maghintay kayo ng ating no, ang ating ipapakitang videos kung ano yung kailangan mong ihanda, no, during salubong, no, 31 ng 11:30 gano'n, kumbaga bago kailangan meron kang gano'n mga bagay na may video akong ilalatag, no, for salubong for 2025. So let's see what is an angel's answer. And there's an abundance. Na magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan dito, walang humpay. And there's a meditate and bring answer, no? Kung kailangan mo mag-meditate, magdasal, magmuni-muni, gano'n. And there's a choose new direction. May bagong direction talagang iikot talaga sa iyong mga palad. Iba! And because this is something, a success! Wow! And this is something indecision. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng desisyon. No? Maaaring magtatagumpay ka. Kung nagkakaroon ka ng gut feeling, kailangan makikinig ka sa intuitions mo. For Monsology represent what? And there's a surrender to the divine. So, kailangan mo pakawalan, surrender mo sa ating angel spirit, no? Unfold it naturally. And because this is something, the answer, the personal issue reaches resolution. So, masasagot na lahat ng mga katanungan, yung mga problema mo, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, lahat ng issue, no? Maaring matapos na. And this is something, ganda, win-win outcome forecast at ipapanalo mo talaga to. Diba? Ang kalalabasan ng eksena na to ay maaaring ikaw yung manalo. Ganun. Let's see what is additional messages. And there is something, a mystery and intuition. There is something unexpected. No? May mga biglaan talagang hindi mo akalaang mangyayari. And there is something movement. No? May gagalaw na eksena. No? May paggalaw ng baso. Let's see what is the energy. Represent what? A yin and yang. Wow, there's something balance. And there's something angel of balance. Ang ganda. Balance and a balance. So, there's something balance talaga. And there's a walking away. So, meron talagang kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan, di ba? Hayaan. So, let's see what is the romance angels represent pagdating sa relasyon. And there is a very soon sa mga susunod na eksena. Malapit na. And because this is something, free yourself. Palayain mo yung sarili mo. Pakawalan mo. It's time to take back controlling your life, no? Kailangan ikaw naman. Self-love, self-care, ganon. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent with a call, soul gift, and of course training. It's time to step up. So, kumbaga, yung lahat ng mga bagay na ito ay maaaring ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Ito yung regalo sa iyo ng ating poong may kapal na maaaring ipagpapalain ka. Kailangan mo matutunan, maranasan, lahat ng mga bagay na yon. Pagkatapos nun, maaaring manasap mo na yung tagumpay. And this is something, water your garden. There's a body care. So kailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Diba? So, let's see. Kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. No? Overfatigue ka na. For Jesus' loving code said, Jesus' loving code said, with God, all things are possible. Na pagdating sa ating Panginoon, walang imposible. Lahat ay posible, no? Kaya kailangan maniwala ka na magtiwala ka na lahat ng mga magaganap ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So, may mga bagay na magaganap with an unexpected moment, ay ayon yun dahil kailangan mong pagdaanin yung proseso na yun. What is an angel's number? Represent what? Represent a 12-21 for taking intuitive, no? Para pinapakita ito, there's a changes. And because this is something, a message and good news coming in for you. Work with what you have, and it will get your place. Count your blessing and acknowledge your dear ones. You will find inspiration and figure out a way forward. You might also be getting some good news soon. So, mga magagandang balita talagang parating. Ay ba? Okay, this is something high vibes. What is the messages of represent what? Represent a truth. No, talaga ipapakita lahat ng katotohanan, wala malalantad, wala matatago. And there is a today, I discover my greatest truth is within me. It's a divine force that, excuse me, whisper, oh my God, wait lang guys. Ulitin natin yan. Inom lang ako ng water guys. Okay. Continue. Truth. There's a truth. Today I discover my greatest truth is within me. It's a divine forces that whisper from my inner self. I listen to the voice closely, putting aside my controlling mind. In this way, I find all the answers I'm looking for. I am now in a harmony with myself, and I welcome that love of God, which is the truth that will guide me towards my fullest, most shining regain. So, see? Kumbaga, alam mo lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo ayon sa katotohanan lamang, no? Wala nang itatago, walang mga bagay na napilit na itatago, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na to maaaring ilantad sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. No, at sinasabi dito guys, ang dami. I connect with the heaven. Today, I turn inwards and connect with the heaven within for this place of peace. I can see that situation I have resented is actually an idea, opportunity to work on my inner self. I understand that such experiences are necessary for my growth. Thus, I accept such situation and now live each day in serenity. So, parang konektado ka sa ating pong may kapal, katotohanan, kinukonekta ka sa ating sa ating Panginoon, sa ating mga gabay, na maaaring ipakita sa iyo yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. And this is something simplicity. Na kailangan na, kumbaga, maging simple ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Today, I choose to simplify my life as I do so. My burden lightens. I release my ego need to understand, to prove, and to control. Instead, I undertake every task with an open, humble heart, seeing through the eyes of a child and discover life is in its all wonder and simplicity as the complication and chaos of my mind fall away and remember I am one with the light. So see, kumbaga ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag, pero kailangan alisin mo yung galit, buot, alisin mo yung ngit-ngit at inis sa mga tao sa paligid mo, bago ipaubaya mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong ipaubaya, no? Ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, kung may mga bagay na ibibigay sa iyo, kahit pagano kahirap, kahit gaano pa katagal, ibibigay yan sa iyo ayon sa kalooban ng Panginoon. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 25 hanggang December 31 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, legleg, nagumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!